Have you ever stopped to think about how a single jar of Nutella makes its way from a handful of hazelnuts to your breakfast table? Every second, somewhere in the world, someone is spreading Nutella on toast, filling a croissant, or adding a spoonful to a dessert. It's one of the most recognizable food products on the planet, but very few people have ever seen what happens behind the factory doors. Today, we're taking you inside the incredible world of Nutella manufacturing. You'll discover how premium hazelnuts are transformed into the smooth chocolate spread loved by millions, how advanced machines fill thousands of jars every hour, and why Ferrero's factories are considered some of the most efficient food production facilities in the world. By the end of this video, you'll never look at a jar of Nutella the same way again. Let's go inside. Nutella is produced by Ferrero, the famous Italian company founded in 1946. While Ferrero is also known for brands like Ferrero Rocher, Kinder, and Tic Tac, Nutella remains one of its biggest global successes. Since its official launch in 1964, Nutella has grown into a worldwide phenomenon and is now sold in more than 160 countries. Meeting that kind of demand requires an enormous manufacturing operation. Millions of jars leave Ferrero's production facilities every year, and every single one has to taste exactly the same. Whether you're opening a jar in New York, London, Dubai, Sydney, or Tokyo, Ferrero wants the flavor, texture, and quality to be identical. That level of consistency doesn't happen by accident. It starts long before the first ingredient reaches the mixing tanks. Every great product starts with great ingredients. Nutella's signature flavor comes from a carefully balanced recipe that includes roasted hazelnuts, cocoa, sugar, milk powder, and vegetable oil. Among these ingredients, hazelnuts are the true star. Ferrero sources hazelnuts from several regions around the world, working closely with growers to maintain consistent quality and supply. When shipments arrive at the factory, they don't go straight into production. Instead, every batch is carefully inspected. Engineers and food specialists examine moisture levels, size, freshness, color, and overall quality. Even a small variation can affect the final product. Only the highest quality hazelnuts move forward. Everything else is rejected before production even begins. Once approved, the hazelnuts enter one of the most important stages of production: roasting. Massive industrial roasting systems expose the nuts to carefully controlled temperatures. This isn't simply about making the nuts crunchy. Roasting develops the rich aroma and deep flavor that Nutella is famous for. Powerful computer systems constantly monitor temperature, airflow, humidity, and roasting time. Even a slight change could alter the taste. After roasting, the hazelnuts move through cooling tunnels where they're rapidly cooled to preserve flavor before the next stage begins. Next comes one of the most fascinating parts of the factory. Huge industrial grinders crush the roasted hazelnuts into an incredibly smooth paste. The machinery is so precise that it reduces tiny nut particles into an ultrafine consistency. This hazelnut paste becomes the foundation of Nutella's creamy texture. Meanwhile, other production lines prepare the remaining ingredients. Sugar is measured automatically. Milk powder is carefully weighed. Premium cocoa powder is added in exact proportions. Everything is controlled by sophisticated computer systems capable of measuring ingredients with incredible accuracy. There is almost no room for error. Now the magic really begins. The hazelnut paste joins the cocoa, sugar, milk powder, and vegetable oil inside enormous stainless steel mixing vessels. Some of these industrial mixers can process thousands of kilograms of product in a single batch. Large rotating blades continuously blend the ingredients together until they form a rich chocolate mixture. But even after mixing, the product still isn't smooth enough. There's another crucial step ahead. This is where advanced food engineering takes over. The chocolate mixture passes through specialized refining equipment. These powerful machines reduce particle sizes even further. The goal is simple: create a texture that's perfectly smooth without feeling grainy. The difference is measured in microscopic particles invisible to the naked eye. Yet those tiny details completely change how Nutella feels on your tongue. Throughout this process, automated sensors constantly monitor temperature, viscosity, thickness, moisture, and flow rate. Every second, computers collect thousands of measurements. If anything moves outside Ferrero's strict quality standards, adjustments are made immediately. Nothing is left to chance. Before Nutella can be packaged, it must pass one of the factory's most important departments: quality control. Technicians regularly collect samples directly from the production line. These samples are tested in laboratories for texture, flavor, consistency, food safety, and ingredient accuracy. Some tests even examine microscopic details impossible to detect with the human eye. If a batch doesn't meet Ferrero's standards, it never reaches customers. Maintaining consistency is one of the company's biggest priorities. Because customers expect every jar to deliver exactly the same experience every time. Once approved, the finished Nutella is pumped through stainless steel pipelines into the filling department. This area is almost hypnotic to watch. Thousands of empty jars race along automated conveyor belts. Before filling begins, every jar is cleaned and electronically inspected. Any damaged container is automatically removed. Next, high-speed filling machines dispense the exact amount of Nutella into each jar. The precision is remarkable. Modern equipment can fill hundreds of jars every minute while maintaining nearly identical fill levels. Not too much. Not too little. Just perfect. Watching thousands of jars move through the production line almost looks like a perfectly synchronized machine ballet. After filling, each jar receives its familiar white lid. Powerful automated systems tighten every lid to the correct torque, ensuring an airtight seal. Immediately afterward, every container passes through another inspection station. High-speed cameras check for proper sealing, correct fill level, damaged jars, and missing lids. Even the labels receive careful attention. Machines apply Nutella's instantly recognizable label with incredible speed. Computer vision systems verify that every label is perfectly positioned and readable. If something isn't perfect, robotic arms instantly remove the defective jar from the line without slowing production. The journey isn't over yet. Finished jars now enter the packaging department. Robotic arms rapidly arrange jars into cartons with incredible precision. Unlike human workers, these robots can operate around the clock with consistent speed and accuracy. Once packed, cartons move toward automated palletizing systems. Large robotic machines carefully stack boxes onto wooden pallets following computer-generated patterns that maximize stability during transport. Stretch wrapping machines then secure each pallet with protective plastic film. The finished pallets are labeled, scanned, and prepared for shipment. Everything is fully traceable from factory to supermarket. Once production is complete, thousands of pallets leave Ferrero's facilities on trucks every week. From there, they travel to regional distribution centers before eventually reaching supermarkets, grocery stores, bakeries, restaurants, and convenience stores around the world. It's an enormous logistics network operating every single day. Behind every jar is the combined effort of farmers, engineers, food scientists, technicians, quality specialists, warehouse operators, truck drivers, and logistics experts. Millions of people enjoy Nutella without ever realizing how much coordination goes into producing a single jar. Here are a few facts you might not know. Nutella is sold in more than 160 countries worldwide. Ferrero operates multiple manufacturing facilities across different regions to serve global demand efficiently. Every jar follows the same carefully controlled recipe and quality standards regardless of where it's produced. And despite producing enormous quantities every year, Ferrero continues investing in advanced automation, food safety technology, and quality control systems to maintain consistency. That's one reason Nutella has remained one of the world's most trusted chocolate spreads for decades. From carefully selected hazelnuts and premium cocoa to advanced robotics and precision quality control, every jar of Nutella represents an incredible combination of food science, engineering, and modern manufacturing. It's easy to see a jar sitting on a supermarket shelf and never think twice about it. But behind that familiar label is an extraordinary production process involving cutting-edge technology, thousands of skilled professionals, and years of continuous innovation. The next time you spread Nutella on your toast, pancakes, waffles, or favorite dessert, you'll know exactly what it took to create every smooth, chocolatey spoonful. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes factory tour, make sure to like this video, subscribe to NextEra Manufacturing, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next journey inside the world's most fascinating factories.